In this video, we will learn how to insert a table into a PowerPoint slide using PowerPoint 365. Tables are a great way to present structured data in a clear and organized format, making it easier for your audience to understand the information at a glance. To begin, go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. From there, choose the Table option. A grid will appear, allowing you to select the number of columns and rows you want by simply hovering your mouse and clicking to confirm the dimensions. This method is flexible and helps you quickly set the layout of your table according to your specific needs. Once the table has been inserted into the slide, two new contextual tabs will appear in the ribbon: Table Design and Layout. These tabs give you full control over the appearance and structure of your table. In the Table Design tab, you can modify the colors, apply different visual styles, and make adjustments to the look of the table. This is especially useful for aligning the table's design with the overall theme of your presentation and making your data visually appealing. The Layout tab allows you to fine-tune the size of the cells. You can adjust both the width and the height of each cell to ensure that the content fits well and looks balanced. This is helpful when you are working with tables that have varying amounts of text in each cell. If you want to insert an additional column or row, first click on the cell next to the position where you want to insert the new one, then right-click to open the context menu. From the list of options, you can select what you want to insert, whether it's a row or a column. To select an entire column, right-click on any cell within that column, then choose Select and click on Select Column. This highlights the whole column, allowing you to apply changes to all the cells in that column at once. Using tables in PowerPoint can greatly enhance how your information is presented. It adds clarity, organization, and visual appeal to your slides. Mastering the table insertion tools will make your presentations more effective and professional.